This is the latest 8-inch Transflective energy-saving display with capacitive touch designed by View. With high-resolution 1200x1920 that ensures sharp images and smooth text, combined with excellent brightness and high contrast ratio, it makes colors pop and details stand out. This results in a more engaging visual experience. Whether you're viewing colorful maps, complex data visualizations, or vibrant multimedia content, it not features only provides IPS wide viewing angle and excellent color performance, but also through the optical bonding process significantly improves picture clarity, making every detail vivid and lifelike. The 10-point touch function brings a smooth operating experience. With software adjustable backlight brightness, it can adapt to various usage environments. In bright outdoor sunlight, it acts like a reflective mirror, using ambient light to enhance visibility. This means text, images, and graphics remain sharp and clear, even when the sun is at its peak. It is environmentally friendly and energy-saving. You can see that when the backlight is completely off, the display is still highly visible. It is a high-performance display for outdoor devices, industrial and manufacturing, automotive displays. At the same time, in low light or indoor environments, the screen switches to transmissive mode, relying on its backlight to provide a consistent and vivid display. Whether you're using it for outdoor navigation, industrial monitoring in a factory with varying lighting, or in a mobile device that transitions between indoors and outdoors, readability is never compromised. Our 8-inch Transflective screen is not just a display. It's a versatile tool that enhances user experience across a wide range of applications, offering reliable and high-quality visuals in any lighting situation. If your device requires Transflective display, please feel free to contact us.